How to change file type on Windows 10 and 11. Changing a file type basically means changing a file's extension. And both Windows 10 and 11 offer multiple options to do this. We'll show you which option to use and when so you can successfully change your file's formats. In Windows 10 and 11, you have rename and save as options to change your file's types. Each option works differently, so you should use the one that's suitable for your file type. In general, you shouldn't use the rename option to change a file's extension. This is because you're simply changing a file's type without converting it to the target format. For instance, simply renaming a DOCX file to TXT won't make it a plain text file. Changing the file extension can work in certain cases, like converting JPG to JPEG, or TXT to CSV. It depends on exactly what your situation is. Save as, on the other hand, ensures your files are actually converted to match the target format. For example, you can save a PNG image as a GIF using Windows Paint app. And this will ensure your resulting file works as intended. Unless you know your file will work just fine even after changing its extension. Stick to the Save As option for converting your files from one format to another. Save As basically converts your files from one format to another. Since it performs a proper conversion, you're assured that your resulting file will work as expected. To use this method, you'll open your file with the app that supports both your source and your target formats. For example, Excel can open and save in both XLSX and CSV formats. Or, to convert a PNG image to GIF, use the Paint app as it supports both these formats. We'll use this example in the following steps. Start by opening a File Explorer window and locating your PNG file. Right-click this file, and from the menu that opens, choose Open with Greater than Paint. When your PNG file opens in Paint, from Paint's top left corner, select File Greater than Save As. Then, on the right pane, choose the resulting format for your file. We'll select GIF Picture. Your PC's Save As window will open. Here, select the folder to save your GIF file in. Enter your file's name in the File Name field, and click Save. With Windows Rename option, you can change a file's name as well as its extension. As mentioned above, this may not always work well. To use this option, first, enable Windows to show file extensions if the option is disabled. Then, launch a File Explorer window and locate the file whose type you want to change. In the file's editable name field, remove the current extension, the 3 letters after the dot in the file name. Then type your new file extension and press Enter. For example, to turn a JPEG image into a JPG file, remove JPEG from the file's name field and enter JPG without quotes. Windows will display a prompt asking if you really want to change your file's type. Choose Yes if you're certain renaming won't cause any problems. Here at How to Geek, we've written several guides that teach you how to change a file's format on your computer. You can visit each guide to learn how to perform a particular conversion process. Text source: howtogeek.com.